Hello guys, this is a quick video to show you how to set up Bloodhound to get specific volatility. So market's been extremely high volatility the last few days, trading sessions. If you would like to sit on your hands and not trade a certain volatility level, there is a way to capture that in Bloodhound so that you're not trading above volatility zone. Like today was inside the ones and it just went up and down, up and down, up and down, probably making a lot of people unhappy on the last trading day of the year, which was a roll. But there is an easy way to block those signals in Bloodhound so that you can apply that to your algorithm to just say no signals can be accepted with volatility this high. And that is easy to do. You can put a comparison solver on the chart, connect it to the result node, put the PT indicator in the A right here. We're just going to click PT2, keep everything it is, say OK. And for the indicator value, we're going to change that to fixed value, and we'll type in 60, just say. So anything above 60, we're going to tell it to block signals. So the easiest way to block signals is to right click and click not enabled, so you can see that they're red. And when we connect a function node, a long short modifier, to this and change it to difference, short long right there, we can make that go away. See that? So I just made that signal disappear. And my algo I can build on volatility to enter anywhere in here. Okay, so now I'm no longer going to get chopped up. Or if it's that condition and I want to trade long vol, then I would want to try to trade directionally and provide for the fact that it's going to be a huge range, lots of money. So I might want to drop down to a micro account or something. But otherwise, to trade in and out of the volatility as it is, I can go even more granular and start adding on other things, like let me put an and node on here. And put the slope solver up. Put the long short modifier on it. And I want to change the difference mode to long. And now you can see that there are only long slope signals coming through. So now I have long slope signals below the really high threshold. Take that out. And now I can trade directionally inside here. So if I only want to look for long shorts, I could do that. I could require that the slope be short. Okay, so those are long shorts, and you want to apply your trend filters, whatever your trend du jour is. And you can try to set up for these long short volatility trades that are not gigantic. So that will keep you from um, getting bounced around a whole lot. But if you like to live on the wild side and you want to take those extra high trades, you can just disregard what we did to eliminate them. Just accept all signals. And I can show you how to go directionally trading long or short. If you want to trade your short longs, we can do that too. So I just named this short signals long ball. We will copy this template and name it long signal short ball. And again, we can keep the fact that we would want the um, maximum signals to be gone. Or actually, we don't need those because, well, yeah. And change the long short modifier to short long. And we're not going to enable shorts. And the slope, um, yes and no. And connect. There we go. So there are short volatility. When the volatility goes short, we'll get that bounce up signal. Now the thing about longs is that you want really to go long on long or short vol. And if you can get it below a threshold, um, that's even better to get the drift trade. And so I can help you set that up um, to do that if you're interested. But just to show you that you can use the volatility with the threshold solvers and custom design logic. Here's volatility I set up for you that is below 30, the PT below 30, and we're taking long short long slope with my trend filter. So this is below 30 long slope VWAP. VWAP, I'm using an indicator that I get with the lifetime license with NinjaTrader. You may need to get another indicator if you don't get the VWAP particular one that I get, but any trend filter, indicator, and so we can capture specific areas um, of the volatility, up or down, and you can customize that to be wherever you want on the volatility line, whatever level you would like to try to capture. So a long vol above, a zone and going out with range to get to. So this was a nice trade from the 1 to the 2. 100 points, 117 points. So right there, that was a good trade. But yes, these zones can be set up by level, threshold, and slope, and direction and target. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good weekend.